Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Diwali 2020 wherein I would be uploading 25 videos every single day. So Diwali is a concept which was first introduced by Shreya Jain. You must already know who Shreya Jain is. I do not have to introduce her to you. So the full credit goes to her, and as I am a Bengali, I would be starting Diwali from Sasthi and I would be uploading videos every single day, and there will be 25 videos in total, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video series. I wanted to do Diwali for a really long time, even when I did not had a YouTube channel. So yeah, this is my very first Diwali and I hope you guys encourage me and support me. So with that, let's get started with today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you very beautiful simple morning makeup look for Sasthi, and I would be showing you guys the outfit ideas too. So if you're interested, then let's get started. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to it and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. And with that, let's get started. I will be starting off by applying my favorite foundation, that is the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the shade F10. So this is exactly my shade and I picked this one just because it gives a very beautiful medium coverage and it is perfect for daytime, very lightweight, very easy to use. So I would be buffing this foundation using a flat kabuki brush. So previously I loved using a sponge to blend my foundation, but recently I have fallen for brushes again, as this is much more quicker and gives a flawless looking base. Moving on with the brows, I will be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Brow Kit along with the MINISO brow pencil. So the MINISO brow pencil is a lighter shade and the Wet n Wild is a darker shade. So I will be mixing both of them and it gives a beautiful natural looking eyebrows. As this is a morning look, I do not want my brows to look dramatic. Just a natural looking brows will look good. For contouring, I would be using the C.A.L Los Angeles contour wheel and I would be using the darker shade from the wheel. So this is a perfect contour powder shade for Indian skin tone. I was struggling to get a perfect bronzer for Indian skin tone and this is the one for you. Trust me, if you get this one, you will thank me later. I fell in love with this product. So I would be contouring my face a little bit and not much. Again, as this is a morning look, I do not want my face to look like a skeleton. I just want a healthy, glowy, and a flush of bronze on my skin. Using a dense angle brush, I would be blending all of the contour shade beautifully on my face so that there is no harsh line. This technique looks beautiful on the face and it looks stunning under the sun, and your face is going to glow like anything. With a similar dense brush, but this one is flat, I would be using to powder my face slightly. So I want my skin to glow. That's why I'm just dusting the powder ever so slightly. I will not be baking today. Moving straight to the eyes, I would be using the oldie, that is the Maybelline Nudes palette. So fun fact, this was actually the very first palette that I purchased, and after that I kind of stopped using it, and now I just grabbed it and then I realized how good this palette is. So I will be applying the brown shade as a transition shade, and as you can see that I am blending the shade as well towards the outer corner so that it looks faded and natural. Moving to the star shade of the eye makeup, that is the yellow color. I would be using this yellow shade from the Makeup Revolution Tammi X Tropical Carnival palette. Such a huge name, I know, right? But the shades are beautiful. So I would be using this yellow shade from this palette. This shade is a little bit chalky and it is a bit difficult to work with this shade, but it is quite pigmented. Just you have to apply a couple of times and then you can get the actual pigmentation. I am in a search of a good palette with a very vibrant yellow shade. This one is one of them, but if you have any recommendation, you can write it in the comment section below so that I can read it and I can get it for myself. So I would be applying the yellow shade in the inner corner as well as a wing. So if you can notice that I am leaving a negative space in the eyes, this gives a very structured eye makeup and it kinds of mimic a longer eye look. Also, you can easily replace the yellow shade with any shade you want. As my outfit is pink, so I wanted to have a contrasty shade on the eyes. That's why I went on with the yellow shade, but you can easily match your outfit with your eyeshadow. If there are any harsh edges, you can easily blend it using a blending brush as I'm doing over here. For the wing, I would be using the Lakme Insta liner. This is my go-to. You guys may know by now. And I would be applying a very thin wing today, not a crazy wing. You need to make sure that you are applying the wing on top of the yellow shade, not covering the yellow shade altogether, just to enhance the wing that you have already drawn with the yellow shade. For the blush, I would be using this Dead Rose shade from the same palette, and using a very fluffy brush, I would just dust the blush shade all over my face. For the highlighter, I would be using this beautiful rose gold shade from the Nudes palette. So I love the Nudes palette because of the highlighter shade. It has such beautiful natural looking highlighter shade, and I love to use all of the shade as highlighter. You can see how my skin glows and it gives a very natural look. Pujo is all about beautiful flattery lashes, so I would be curling my lashes, and then I would be moving on with my current favorite mascara, that is the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise, the holy grail. It gives such beautiful long voluminous lashes. You do not need false lashes once you have this mascara, trust me guys. Do not hurry in the process, guys. It takes a little bit of time, I know, but the results are amazing, so you do not want to miss it. And yeah, that's how my eyes looks after one coat of mascara. To line my lips, I would be using this In Color lip pencil in the shade Soft Brown. This is a stunning nude brown shade. It looks beautiful on its own, but I would be moving on with a lipstick. So this lipstick is from a very underestimated brand, but yet amazing. I love the formula of this lipstick. It is very inexpensive, but the formula is bomb. So I would be using this nudish pinkish shade on top of the lip liner, which gives a very natural yet beautiful looking plump lips. A morning pujo look is never complete without a simple black bindi, some jewelry, and some beautiful bangles. I wanted the whole theme to be warm, so I went on with oxidized golden jewelry as well as golden bangles, but if you want, you can go with oxidized silver jewelry as well. That would also look stunning. So this is the finished look. It is a very simple yet very gorgeous look, and you are going to look amazingly gorgeous on Shoshti morning. And if you end up recreating this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use my hashtag FamJamWithPooja so that I can stalk you guys. All of the details along with the link of the makeup, jewelry as well as the outfit would be there in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out if you want to purchase it for yourself. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. And if you end up recreating this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use my hashtag FamJamWithPooja so that I can stalk you guys and post all of your looks. And with that, I would be ending the very first video of Diwali 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys tomorrow.